Hello student, let us do a question. Find tension in string if the system is in equilibrium. See, first of all, what are the forces acting that you need to mark? So the very first force which I can see is the weight, right? So weight is what? mg. What is m here? Root 2 and g is 10. So it is root 2 into 10. So I can write it like this. What is the other? It is a tension. We know that the object, if it is here, the pointing outward is a tension. So since they are different strings, T1 and T2 is the tension. So now what you have to do, you need to resolve the tension. So what will be the horizontal component of this T1? We know that the angle is attached to it. So it will be T1 cos 60. Same way, vertical component will be T1 sin 60. Now look at this one. T2, if I resolve, it will be T2 cos 30 and the vertical component will be T2 sin 30, right? Now, if you want to draw the FVD will be simple like this. One force is going down, then the other component is like here, other component is here, one component is here, correct? And here I have two components. Right? So if I talk about the horizontal components, what are the horizontal components here? Observe carefully, it is T2 cos 30 and T1 cos 60. Since the system is at equilibrium, they will be same. So horizontal component T2 cos 30 is equal to T1 cos 60. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 is equal to T1 cos 60 is 1 by 2. So I can say that T1 is equal to root 3 into T2. Now look at the vertical component. Vertical component I can say downwards it is root 2 into 10. Since the system is at the equilibrium, it has to be 0. Right? That's why we can equate it. Now upside, what are the forces? T1 sin 60 plus T1 sin 30. And that should be equal to the downward force, that is root 2 into 10. Right? Now what is the value of T1? T1 is root 3 T2. So root 3 T2. And what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus T1 and T2. This is T2, right? So T2 sin 30 is what? 1 by 2 is equal to root 2 into 10. So this will become 3 by 2 T2. And here T2 by 2. So 4 T2 by 2 which is equal to 2 T2 is equal to root 2 into 10. So T2 is 5 root 2 and T1, if you substitute this value of T2 here, T1 is 5 root 6. Thank you.